My dental problems that I'd been experiencing have been going on for years. I was going to dentists and having cleaning done every four months to try to save my teeth. I've went to several other oral surgeons and doctors similar to Dr. Timm, but I just wasn't comfortable. I think you have to be in your right mindset and click with the doctor before you're ready to do it, because it's a big deal to have all your teeth extracted, and trust somebody, which I did trust Dr. Timm the minute I met him.
Mary came to us concerned about her partial dentures. They were loose, they were painful. She wasn't confident that they were going to be there forever because the teeth that were supporting them were falling out, breaking, they were painful. So after a thorough exam, talking about treatment options, she decided to move forward with removal of the teeth, full arch, top and bottom, so that she didn't have to worry about things moving. She would have the confidence she needed to chew, to laugh, to talk with her friends, and not have to worry about teeth breaking and get rid of the pain.
I was very self-conscious with my teeth. I didn't smile a lot. In fact, after having this procedure done, you have to learn how to smile again, because it was so many years that I wasn't smiling a lot. I was in there about 4.5, 5 hours. I did not have any pain. I didn't on the day it happened, and I didn't the next day or the next day or the next day. As soon as the procedure was done, they gave me a mirror and I got to see it, and it was remarkable. You know, like I said, I did not smile much because of the amount of brackets that I had on my partial to hold them in my teeth. If you smiled, you could see that. You could see the wires. I don't have that anymore.
Mary's been very happy. She's been very thankful. She understands that she made a great decision. She doesn't have to worry about trying to save teeth, repair teeth, crowns, making new partials, and she just seems delighted with her decision.
Oh, Dr. Timm and his whole staff, I appreciate everything that they've done. It's changed me. I never did a selfie. I always hid behind everybody when having my picture taken, and that's not the case now. If I could have had this done 20 years ago when I was much younger, it'd been 20 years full of smiles that I haven't had.